Welcome to Daily Dallas. Thank you so much, Horizon Group.
USA.
Yeah. For sending me a little surprise secret message and glitter jam and it's my friend Emma. Hello.
Hello.
And let's open this. Well, let's kitty clap. Whoa! This is so cool. So I guess here's the beads and the bracelets. Here's the alphabet. And here's the coding messages. And here's like secret message decoder. And here's, well,
Stickers.
yeah, a few stickers.
And there's all the beads.
Yeah, I said that.
Oh yeah. And then that's the purse with the stickers. Let me see that. And you gotta color those in, huh?
I
Cool.
can't wait to color them. It feels just a little bit fuzzy. Oh, look. See? We're gonna do the bracelets. We'll put that there. Okay. So
You're gonna do this later. Okay.
let's grab this, right?
Yep.
My
Grab your colors.
Okay. I have no idea what this is for, but okay. And oh, look, I have no idea what this is. It's probably going to be a pattern. It's probably going to be a pattern.
Okay.
And can I put it like hanging down or up? S. No, I can't. Just
Well,
look.
those letters are for the
A.
string one. The other ones are the sticker ones. Yeah. The sticker ones are for that one. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you could do that one after.
Where's the T? And the L. Where's the L? Is there another colored L? Oh, excuse me. I need this L. Because I wanted a pattern, see?
Okay. Very nice.
Where are you, E?
So let me. All right. So what do we have here?
The little charms.
Oh, you're gonna do. Emma, let me see what you're doing. Ooh, very
Emma.
nice. Beautiful. I love the colors.
And here's.
And you're gonna do this one?
Yeah.
All right, do that one now.
Okay, let me put my sticker on. Put this one. There.
Beautiful, Dallas.
Is it like perfect, kind of?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Basic. And now I need my diamond-like, sparkle-like diamonds. Look. Look.
Let me see. Ah, switch. Oh, Queen Bee. Beautiful, Emma.
There. I already have this character.
Do you?
Yes. I don't have none.
Oh, sorry, Dallas.
But look.
And let me see, what were you doing over here with Dallas? You're gonna make a bracelet?
Yeah, that's how it's gonna look like. Dallas.
Okay, continue and we'll show. So Dallas is decoding.
Yeah,
her-
and well, I don't need a decode. I just.
So this is what it's decoding these stickers here. And we have fashion, smart, sweet, future,
Oopsie.
party, best, gaming, what would forward be? Cookie, heart, queen. Let's go up from the bottom. Shine, bright, dance, hot, mic, drama, music, geek, boo, animal, video, shot, no one's watching, music, drama, opposites, like, attract, diamond, check, and then from the bottom up, star, pants, sour, girl, fan. Okay. There's some silly ones there. So let me see, Emma, how you
What's sour?
doing?
What's sour?
Ooh,
What's
I like
I got my bracelet on.
So we got Queen Diamond now, huh?
and what's Actually, I decoded myself.
And then Dallas started doing this one. So they're in the mix of doing a bunch of different things, right?
Video.
And this one.
Video.
That's good because Dallas, Daily Dose of Dallas, right?
Video girl.
Video girl.
That's a girl.
Beautiful.
See? Look. Where is it?
Which one is the one with the heart eyes?
Girl.
Girl, yep. Video girl. That's what Dallas is gonna put on there. Beautiful, Dallas. Okay, let's finish up, huh? Let me see what you're up to.
Oh no.
What, Mama?
Look. It's long.
Fine.
Oh, it's
We're gonna
not.
lean against you, silly. So what are we doing?
I'm doing my
Oh, you're doing the necklace now?
Yeah. Yeah, we're doing the necklace. And
Okay,
look.
let me see how yours coming out, Emma.
Look.
Nice pattern.
Thanks. Now I'm gonna put some. Look at my bracelet.
Let me see how your bracelet's coming out.
Video.
Dallas girl. Okay.
Video girl.
Video Dallas girl.
So this one is Sweet Geek Gamer. And this one is Dance Star, like Pop Star. And this one is Shine Like Diamond. Or Shine Like a Diamond. Here's Party Animal.
Cute, Dallas. Really cute.
Thanks, Mom.
And where are you going to put that? You're going to put that on this one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Oops. Sorry.
I have a necklace. I put this on it and a backwards rainbow.
Beautiful.
And look at my rainbow.
Coming along, Dallas. Beautiful.
Thanks. And it still flips. Like always.
I love it.
Do you like mine with the mix of, well, this one? I picked this one because it has pink and it has like the blue eyes and the flowers. And I just like this one because it's like Shine Like Diamond.
Beautiful, Dallas.
And I like this girl because I love music. And she's a music girl.
Awesome, Emma.
You should have put that one. LOL. Get it? LOL! LOL.
Go!
Is there any more princess ones? Yes. Of course there is. Okay. See? Right here. Okay. Now, I changed my mind. I want to put this one there. And let's pick it up. It's cardboard! We didn't know that!
You guys are silly.
I want to. Oh, it's still a sticker. Okay.
You're not going to change your mind, are you?
No. Yes. Oops. Why did I just laugh?
Okay, guys, so this is what you guys made, huh?
Yeah.
Here's Dallas's bracelet.
And here's Emma's bracelet.
Here's Emma's bracelet.
And here's my
necklace. And then her necklace. And then you're gonna do a different project later with this Dallas.
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna do something else with this. And then here's the coated bracelet. What was it? Sweet Geek Gamer, Party Animal, Sparkle Like a Diamond.
Sparkle.
Or Shine Like a Diamond. And Dance Star. Beautiful.
Pop Star, but Dance Star.
Dance Star. All right.
Now if you like this video, give a like and subscribe. Bye. And we're also going to have a part 2.
Because here it is. Okay.
Bye. Bye. But.